Close your eyes for a second. Imagine the year is ending. 2026 is almost over. You look back and you realize everyone who was laughing at your silence is now asking how you did it. Everyone who called you lonely is now jealous of your peace. Everyone who wanted your attention every day is now invisible in your life. And you became someone they don't recognize anymore. Stronger, calmer, clearer, untouchable. How? Because at some point, you made one brutal, beautiful decision. I will stay alone until I become stronger. Not because people are bad, not because the world is cruel, but because you needed time, space, and silence to rebuild yourself from the inside. If you're tired of being average, if you're exhausted from pretending you're okay, if deep down you know you're capable of so much more, then this video is your permission slip. Stay with me for the next some minutes, because what I'm about to share isn't just motivation, it's a complete blueprint for transformation. Let's begin. 1. The lie we've all been sold about loneliness. Society has taught us one very dangerous lie. Being alone, D, being weak. Being surrounded by people, D, being strong. That's why most people are terrified of silence. They fill every second with noise, chatting, reels, stories, group chats, fake plans, fake relationships. They do everything possible to never be alone with their own thoughts. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people never accept. The strongest people on earth spend the most time alone, not because they hate people, but because they respect themselves too much to accept mediocre company, mediocre conversations, and mediocre versions of themselves. Loneliness is painful only in the beginning. After that, it becomes the greatest teacher, the greatest healer, the greatest gym for your soul. When you remove the crowd, you finally meet the real you. And that meeting is usually terrifying. But it's also the beginning of real power. 2. What actually happens when you choose intentional solitude. Phase 1. The detox. First 7 to 21 days. Your brain will scream. Dopamine receptors are starving. You'll feel bored, restless, anxious, even depressed. This is withdrawal. You're detoxing from social validation. Most people quit here. They run back to the noise. If you survive this phase, phase 2, the mirror, weeks 3 to 8. Now the real work begins. You start seeing all your flaws without filters. Your excuses, your procrastination, your people-pleasing, your fear of failure, your neediness. It hurts like hell, but this pain is sacred. It's the pain of awakening. Phase 3, the rebuild, months 2 to 6. Here the magic starts. You begin fixing things quietly, fixing sleep, fixing diet, fixing body, fixing mind, reading, journaling, meditation, fixing money, learning skills, side hustles, fixing boundaries. No one sees it, no one claps, no likes, no comments, just you and progress. Phase 4, the emergence, month 6 plus. Something strange happens. You don't feel lonely anymore. You feel complete. You become comfortable in your own skin. You stop needing people to feel worthy. And paradoxically, that's when better people start appearing in your life. Not because you chased them, but because you stopped needing them. Number 3, 12 deep reasons why you should stay alone until you're stronger. You stop leaking energy to people who don't deserve it. You finally hear your own voice instead of 1,000 others. Your standards rise dramatically. You develop emotional immunity. Comparison dies because there's no one to compare with. Discipline becomes automatic, not forced. You learn to self-validate, most powerful skill of 2026. Your intuition becomes razor sharp. You stop settling for mediocre relationships. You build real self-trust. Your presence becomes magnetic when you return. You become dangerous in the best way possible. People feel your strength before you speak. Each of these 12 points deserves its own video, but together they create a compound effect that turns an ordinary person into someone legendary. Number 4, Real stories. People who stayed alone and won. Story 1. The engineer who built a company in silence. In years old, lost job, broke, depressed, cut everyone off for 9 months. Learned coding, built MVP, launched. Today, 7-figure SaaS team of 12. He says, "The best decision I ever made was to disappear." Story 2. The girl who went silent after heartbreak. Core. Toxic relationship ended. Stopped posting, stopped replying, moved to small apartment, 14 months of solitude, lost 18 kilos, started therapy, learned investing, started YouTube. Now, 180K subs, financially free, peaceful. Her caption after comeback: "I didn't come back the same. I came back upgraded." These aren't rare cases, they're the pattern. Number 5. Practical 90-day stay alone until stronger protocol. Month 1. Purification. 0 social media. Delete apps or use blocker. Maximum 3. Close people allowed. Family, very few real friends. No new relationships, choose dating. Daily journal. What did I learn about myself today? Minimum 1 hour reading nonfiction. Month 2. Rebuild strict morning routine, like previous video. Physical transformation. Gym 5 to 6x week. 1 new high-value skill. Coding, copywriting, design, language. Weekly deep reflection Sunday. 3 hours alone thinking about life direction. Month 3. Integration and testing. Slowly allow selected people back, but only if they match your new standards. Observe how people react to new you. Protect your energy fiercely. If anyone tries to pull you back to old version, distance again. Rules that never break. Never explain why you're quiet. Never justify your absence. Never feel guilty for choosing yourself. Closing message. The real truth. In 2026, the world will reward the loudest, the most connected, the most viral, the most people-pleasing. But the future belongs to the quiet ones who did the work, the ones who weren't afraid of the dark, the ones who rebuilt themselves in private, the ones who came back different. So if you're watching this and your heart is beating faster, that's your soul telling you, it's time. Time to disappear for a while. Not to run away from life, but to run toward the best version of it. Stay alone until you're stronger, until you're calm, until you're dangerous, until you're free. And when that day comes, you won't need to announce your return. The energy will speak for you. I believe in the version of you that's still hiding, the powerful, peaceful, unbreakable version. Now, go protect him. Give him the time and space he needs, because the world doesn't need more noise. It needs more strong, silent, centered souls. You've got everything you need inside the silence. Now go get him. Thank you for staying till the end. Save this. Come back whenever doubt creeps in. You're not lonely. You are becoming MTY. Motive Mind is with you. Every quiet step of the way. See you when you're ready, at the top.